birds of prey have incredibly sharp eyesight, allowing them to spot food from a distance even while flying. They possess strong legs equipped with sharp claws, perfect for grabbing or knocking down prey. Additionally, these birds have powerful, curved beaks designed for tearing flesh, making them efficient hunters. Besides these physical traits, their agility and keen senses make them formidable predators in the wild. The sharp eyes and steady steps of the shoebill prepare it to attack when it spots an opportunity. Once the prey is in sight, the shoebill swiftly rushes in to capture it perfectly. This bird has a long, conical bill combined with a large mouth and broad wings. It has dark, grayish feathers and a long neck that extends down the front. Shoebills typically live in swamps, lakes, and rivers, where they often eat fish, frogs, snails, and other aquatic animals. The great black-backed gull caught a squirrel and pecked it. Another squirrel rushed to help its fellow but quickly retreated after the failed attempt. Meanwhile, the gull's prey also tried to escape but was immediately caught again. In the end, the great gull opened its mouth and swallowed the squirrel. The great heron is omnivorous and eats almost anything it can find. Gray herons stand attentively, waiting for the opportunity to easily grab prey. The heron's beak caught a duckling's leg, lifting it up and drowning it in the water. The duckling struggled and almost suffocated in the heron's beak, but the heron swallowed it without any difficulty. A seagull was enjoying its prey after a hunt. Seagulls use their beaks to bite their prey. Within a short time, the seagull had completely devoured its catch. The hornbill bird accidentally discovered a poisonous snake while searching for food. Instead of panicking, it was overjoyed at finding this rare meal. The venom of the snake can kill an adult with one bite, but to the largest bird in the red emperor family, the venomous snake is as harmless as a worm. This woodpecker is really busy gathering pellets to fill its trunk when a nearby squirrel notices. Seizing the opportunity while the woodpecker is away, the squirrel starts munching on the seeds stored in the tree. Suddenly, the woodpecker swoops in, using its sturdy beak to scold the squirrel. After this incident, the birds become more vigilant. The woodpecker found itself in peril when it accidentally tapped on the snake's den. Constantly bothered by woodpeckers, the enraged snake emerged. After a fierce aerial struggle, the woodpecker plummeted to the ground, concluding the confrontation. A team of wildlife conservation workers discovered and recorded a scene of a black-backed seagull attacking and swallowing a rabbit. The seagull pulls the rabbit out from its burrow and quickly devours it within seconds. Great black-backed gulls are opportunistic predators, and a significant portion of their diet consists of uneaten food leftovers from other animals. The great white pelican stood among a flock of crows before swooping down to catch its prey. It quickly grabbed its target, making for an easy hunt. Pelicans are large birds with very long beaks, distinguished by the downward curved hook at the end of their upper jaw and the large gular pouch at the bottom. The slender mandible of their lower beak and flexible tongue muscles form a basket for catching fish. They also have long necks and short, stout legs with large, fully webbed feet. Seagulls hovered in the sky, searching for prey. They spotted a rabbit below. One seagull discovered the rabbit and went to fight for it, eventually winning and capturing the rabbit. It's a raptor that can hunt by hovering in the air, searching for prey by sight or scent. Its long beak makes hunting more convenient. The prey is quickly picked up and swallowed. An eagle swoops down to steal food from another bird, attacking it to keep the prey for itself. The eagle ensures it keeps the prey. The big ground falcon, known for its mastery over snakes, has appeared. This bird mainly feeds on insects and snakes. With a sturdy beak and sharp eyes, it is the fear of snakes. The bird proudly approached the snake, holding its head in its beak and pecking at the ground repeatedly. This caused the snake to lose consciousness. In the end, the big ground falcon completely defeated the snake.